Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch from the video number 1 because this channel teaches English to the students systematically. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about mood. What is mood? Mode indicates the different types of expressions by the verb. It is of three kinds: indicative mode, imperative mode, and subjunctive mode. For example, I am going to write on the whiteboard. Mode, M-O-O-D, mode. Mode indicates the different types of expressions by the verb. It is of three kinds. It is of three kinds. 1. Indicative mode. Indicative mode. 2. Imperative mode. 3. Subjunctive mode. Junctive. Dear students, I have already written the definition of mood. Mood indicates the different types of expressions by the verb. It is of three kinds: indicative mood, imperative mood, and subjunctive mode. What is indicative mode? The mode that indicates a description, a question, or an exclamation is called an indicative mode. For example, let me write on the whiteboard. Indicative mode. Indicative mode, the mode that indicates a description, a question, a exclamation. Is called indicative mood. For example, number 1, for example, she reads the book. Number 2, does she play cricket? Number 3, how find the bird is. Dear students, I have already written the definition of indicative mode, the mode that indicates a description, a question, or an exclamation is called an indicative mode. Okay, for example, she reads the book. From this sentence, we find the verb reads. What does the verb read describe here? The verb describes something. The verb describes something in this sentence. For this reason, this is indicative mode. The next sentence, does she play cricket? What does the verb play describe here? No, it questions here. The verb questions in this sentence. For this reason, it is indicative mode. How find the bird is, the verb of the sentence exclaims something. The first sentence, the verb of the sentence describes something. For this reason, this is indicative mode. The next sentence, the verb questions. The next sentence, the verb exclaims something. For this reason, these three sentences are indicative mode. The next mode, imperative mode. Imperative mode. The mode that indicates or advice or request is called imperative mode. For example, number 1, write the letter at once. The next example, advice, always speak the truth. The last example about request, please close the window. Dear students, I have already written the definition of imperative mode with its examples. The mode that indicates order, advice, or request is called an imperative mode. For example, write the letter at once. Write the letter at once. The verb of the sentence orders. The verb of the sentence orders. For this reason, this sentence indicates imperative mode. The next sentence, always speak the truth. The verb of the sentence indicates advice. Okay, for this reason, this sentence is imperative mode. Please close the window. The verb of the sentence indicates request. For this reason, this is an imperative mode. Dear students, write the letter at once. The verb of the sentence indicates an order. For this reason, this is imperative mode. Order. This is order. The next example, always speak the truth. This sentence indicates The verb of this sentence indicates advice. For this reason, this sentence indicates imperative mode. The last sentence, please close the window. The verb of the sentence indicates a request. For this reason, this is an imperative mode. Request. Dear students, the last mode, subjunctive mode. What is subjunctive mode? The mode that indicates purpose, conditions, prayer, desire, etc. is called subjunctive mode. For example, let me write on the whiteboard. Subjunctive mode. Subjunctive mode. The mode that indicates condition, desire, prayer, purpose, etc. is called subjunctive mode. For example, the first one, if you come, I will help you. The next example, this is condition. This is our prayer. May you be happy. This is prayer. Prayer. The first one is condition. The last example, he goes home so that he can meet his mother. Okay, dear students, the last mode I have already written the definition with this example. The mode that indicates condition, prayer, desire, and purpose, etc. is called subjunctive mode. For example, if you come, I will help you. If you come, I will help you. This is the sentence of conditional sentence. If you come, I will help you. This is a condition imposed on this sentence. Okay. Since it indicates a condition, this is subjunctive mode. The next example, may you be happy. This is a prayer. May you be happy. This is a prayer. Since it indicates a prayer, so it is subjunctive mode. The last one, he goes home so that he can meet his mother. It is purpose. It is purpose. Since it indicates a purpose, So it is subjunctive mode. Dear students, I have already discussed about mood. Again, I am telling mode indicates the different types of expressions by the verb. It is of three kinds: indicative mode, imperative mode, subjunctive mode. What is indicative mode? The mode that indicates a description, a question or exclamation is called an indicative mode. For example, she reads the book. She reads the book. This is the description. The verb of the sentence describes something. The next example, does she play cricket? The verb of the sentence asks something, questions something. The description, then question. Now exclamation. How fine the bird is. It indicates an exclamation. For this reason, this is indicative mode. These three sentences indicate indicative mode. Then imperative mode. The mode that indicates order, advice or request is called imperative mode. For example, write the letter at once. Write the letter at once. The verb of the sentence indicates order. For this reason, it is imperative mode. Always speak the truth. It is advice. For this reason, it is imperative mode. Please close the window. This is a request. For this reason, this is imperative mode. The last one, subjunctive mode. The mode that indicates condition, desire, prayer or purpose, etc. is called subjunctive mode. For example, if you come, I will help you. If you come, I will help you. That is the condition. Since it is a condition, so it is a subjunctive mode. May you be happy. It is a prayer. May you be happy. It is a prayer. Since it is a prayer, it is subjunctive mode. He goes home so that he can meet his mother. It is a purpose. Since it is a purpose, it is subjunctive mode. Dear students, if you have the question, you can write in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. If you would like to know about mode in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.